how to travel cheap in Australia, unlock the secrets on the best way to save money, and experience the land down under on a budget. In this video, we'll help you discover Australia on a shoestring budget. We will give a list of all the airlines that have budget-friendly fares. Also, a list of accommodation options that helps you save money, and budget-friendly transportation options that won't break the bank. Stay until the end to get our best insider tips for saving money. Number 1. Finding affordable flights to Australia. AirAsia. Known for its budget-friendly fares, it offers affordable flights to Australia with a wide network of destinations. Their no-frills approach allows you to save money while still enjoying a comfortable journey. Jetstar is a low-cost carrier and a popular choice for travelers seeking cheap flights to Australia. With their extensive domestic and international routes, you can find great deals and flexible options to suit your budget. Scoot Airlines is a subsidiary of Singapore Airlines, offers competitive prices for flights to Australia. With their modern fleet and convenient connections, you can enjoy a cost-effective travel experience without compromising on quality. Air India is also known for its reasonable fares. It provides affordable flights to Australia from various destinations. With their excellent service and comfortable amenities, you can enjoy a budget-friendly journey without sacrificing comfort. Tiger Air is a budget carrier that offers affordable flights to Australia. With their no-frills approach and regular promotions, you can find great deals on flights to popular Australian destinations. Please note, compare fares and check for any additional charges before making your booking. Exploring accommodation options that won't break the bank. Hostels are a popular and affordable accommodation option in Australia. They offer shared dormitory-style rooms, communal areas, and often provide amenities such as a kitchen, laundry facilities, and social activities. Staying in a hostel is a great way to meet fellow travelers and save money on accommodation costs. There are numerous budget hotels in Australia that offer comfortable rooms at affordable prices. These hostels often provide basic amenities such as private bathrooms, Wi-Fi, and sometimes even complimentary breakfast. They are a great option for travelers who prioritize convenience and comfort while sticking to a budget. Airbnb offers a wide range of affordable accommodation options in Australia, including private rooms and entire apartments or houses. This platform allows you to connect directly with local hosts, providing a more personalized and unique experience. With various price points and locations, Airbnb is a flexible choice for budget-conscious travelers. Caravan parks and camping are known for its stunning natural landscapes, and camping is a popular way to experience them on a budget. Caravan parks and campsites offer facilities such as powered sites, shared kitchen and bathroom facilities, and sometimes even recreational amenities like swimming pools or barbecue areas. Camping allows you to immerse yourself in nature while saving money on accommodation. Homestays and guesthouses provide affordable accommodation options while offering a more intimate and local experience. These options often include a private room in a family home or a small guest house where you can interact with the hosts and gain insights into the local culture. It's a great way to save money while enjoying a unique and authentic stay. Prices may vary according to location, amenities, and check for reviews when choosing your accommodation. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get additional videos. And stay till the end and you will get our best tip and trick to save money. 3. Getting around. Budget-friendly transportation in Australia. Australia has an extensive public transportation network, including buses, trains, and trams, making it an affordable way to get around. Public transport offers cost-effective fares, especially with the use of multi-day or weekly passes, allowing you to explore cities and even some regional areas without breaking the bank. Many cities in Australia offer bicycle rental services, providing an eco-friendly and inexpensive way to get around. With dedicated bike lanes and paths, you can easily explore urban areas while enjoying the fresh air and scenic views. It's a great option for short distances and sightseeing. Ride-sharing platforms like Uber and Ola operate across major cities in Australia, providing a convenient and often cheaper alternative to traditional taxis. With competitive pricing, real-time tracking, and the ability to split fares with other passengers, ride-sharing services offer flexibility and affordability. In cities like Melbourne and Adelaide, trams are a popular mode of transportation. Trams offer a convenient way to navigate the city center and nearby suburbs with affordable fares and frequent service. They provide a unique way to soak in the city's charm while getting from one place to another. Australia's cities and towns are often pedestrian-friendly, making walking a viable and cost-effective option for short distances. Whether you're exploring city centers, parks, or coastal areas, walking allows you to save money while immersing yourself in the local environment and discovering hidden gems along the way, or savoring delicious yet affordable food experiences. Australia is home to numerous food markets that offer a wide variety of affordable and delicious options. These markets often feature local produce, street food vendors, and artisanal products. Food trucks have become increasingly popular in Australia, offering a diverse range of affordable and tasty dishes. Whether it's gourmet burgers, Mexican tacos, or Asian fusion cuisine, food trucks provide a casual and budget-friendly dining experience. Many restaurants in Australia allow customers to bring their own alcohol, BYO. This can significantly reduce the overall cost of dining out since you won't have to pay for expensive drinks or corkage fees. Australia is known for its multicultural society, which means you'll find a variety of affordable ethnic eateries offering authentic and delicious food. From Indian curry houses to Vietnamese pho shops, these establishments often provide generous portion sizes and affordable prices. Many restaurants offer lunch specials that provide a more affordable dining experience compared to dinner menus. These specials often include a set menu or discounted prices on selected dishes. Known foods to eat in Australia. A quintessential Australian food, Vegemite, is a salty spread made from yeast extract. It is typically enjoyed on toast or crackers and is known for its unique and acquired taste. Lamingtons are delightful sponge cake squares are coated in chocolate icing and sprinkled with desiccated coconut. Lamingtons are a classic Australian treat often enjoyed with a cup of tea or coffee. A beloved Aussie staple, meat pies consist of a savory filling of minced meat, typically beef, and gravy, encased in a flaky pastry shell. They are often enjoyed with tomato sauce, ketchup, and make for a satisfying and convenient meal. A popular fish native to Australia, barramundi is known for its delicate flavor and firm white flesh. It is often grilled, fried, or baked and is a favorite choice for seafood lovers. A delicious dessert named after the Russian ballerina Anna Pavlova, this meringue-based treat is crispy on the outside and soft on the inside. It is typically topped with whipped cream and a variety of fresh fruits, making it a perfect dessert for summer gatherings. Tim Tams are these iconic chocolate biscuits consist of 2 layers of chocolate cream filling sandwiched between chocolate-coated biscuits. For the adventurous foodies, kangaroo meat is a lean and flavorful option. It is often cooked as steaks or burgers and is considered an environmentally sustainable source of protein. Anzac biscuits are sweet oat-based cookies have a rich history, as they were originally made by wives and mothers during World War I to send to Australian and New Zealand soldiers. A unique fast food item, the Chico roll is a deep-fried roll filled with a mix of vegetables, meat, and spices. It is a popular grab-and-go snack enjoyed at sporting events and festivals. Fairy bread is a simple and nostalgic party food made by spreading butter on slices of white bread and topping them with colorful sprinkles. 5. Embracing free or low-cost activities and attractions. Australia is famous for its stunning coastline and beautiful beaches, many of which are free to access. Australia boasts an abundance of national parks, offering breathtaking landscapes, wildlife encounters, and hiking trails. Entry to most national parks is either free or requires a small fee. Many museums and galleries across Australia have free or low-cost entry, providing an opportunity to explore the country's rich history, art, and culture. Joining a walking tour is an excellent way to discover the hidden gems and historical landmarks of Australian cities. Many cities offer free or inexpensive guided tours that provide insights into the local culture, architecture, and history. Australia has numerous botanical gardens that are often free to enter. These serene and well-maintained green spaces offer a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of city life. Exploring local markets is not only a great way to support local businesses, but also an opportunity to immerse yourself in the vibrant atmosphere of Australian communities. Australia is renowned for its unique wildlife, and visiting wildlife sanctuaries allows you to get up close and personal with native animals, while some sanctuaries may have an entry fee. Keep an eye out for free events and festivals happening around Australia. From cultural celebrations to music concerts, they offer a chance to experience the local community spirit, often at little to no cost. Number 6. Insider tips for saving money on tours and activities. One of the best ways to save money is by mastering the art of bargaining and negotiating prices with tour operators or guides. Another great option is joining group tours or activities with shared costs. If flexibility is your middle name, seeking out off-peak or discounted tour options is a smart move. Unleash your budget traveler spirit and make your dream trip to Australia a reality. And a must-visit is to one of the largest barrier reefs in the world for an unforgettable experience. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get additional videos. Thank you for watching.